Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today we will be unboxing this brown box I need to apparently open there. So let's just do that. So let's open here. Open it somewhere. Open here. Would be great. And let's see what we have in here. We have two things. We have this. It contains something. And this. Let's get this open first. This is a pin. I'm not really sure where I'm going to put that, but it's a pin to something. It's supposed to actually through the card. Welcome to the world of tubs. Then next, also we have bag. What is inside the bag? It is this. Shall we get it open? I think we shall. It is a tubs. It smells. Smells of something. It is a very strong smell. Then we have a bathtub. Here it is. The Jack Dunks at Life. The bathtub. Put that a while back. And well, end the video, I guess. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, absolutely destroy that like button and subscribe down below. And don't forget to check out one of the videos on screen now or the link to my brother's channel. Goodbye.